Looking for a way to simplify database administration across multiple database systems and cloud services? Look no further. We've got a solution for you. It's called dbForge Edge, and it's a multi-database suite that covers a massive spectrum of database administration tasks across Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle, Postgres, Amazon Redshift, and a lot of other cloud services. dbForge Edge comprises 4 IDEs, called dbForge Studios, and offers a unified experience that will help you simplify and optimize your routine workflow related to database configuration, performance tuning, backup and recovery, security management, and migration between different environments. Whether you are a DBA, data architect, software developer, or manager who works with various databases and wants to reinvent database administration, you can fully rely on dbForge Edge. Let's take a closer look at its features. Your first step is to establish a connection to your database, and this is where dbForge Edge steps in with rich connectivity options. For each database system, you get a wizard where you can quickly enter connection parameters, configure additional settings if necessary, and get connected. Once more, you can set up multiple connections to different instances, and you can color-code each of them with a corresponding category. This will help you navigate the required connection. dbForge Edge offers tools that can help you maximize the performance of your database. For instance, Query Profiler, which helps you collect detailed statistics about executed queries, locate performance bottlenecks and resource utilization issues, and address them. The profiler's most notable features include the execution plan, which helps you see the efficiency of your queries and identify nodes with slow execution, and Top Operations List, which gives a full overview of the most resource and time-consuming operations on the server. All of this will help you understand which parts of your SQL code need extra attention, and thus you'll be able to optimize them accordingly. Next, we've got database backup, one of those routine operations that should be fully automated. That's where dbForge Edge is just as helpful. You can schedule regular backups with a few clicks. And if an emergency case occurs, dbForge Edge will take the latest backup and get the recovery done just as easily. You can be confident that data loss will no longer be a threat. Last but not least, we've got the issue of database security, namely prevention of unauthorized access to your data and correct distribution of roles and permissions among your users. That's made simple with the Integrated Security Manager. With its help, you can create, modify, and delete user profiles, assign roles, and manage access permissions in the most flexible way. What about scaling and possible migration of your databases to new environments? Easy! dbForge Edge has 2 integrated tools called Schema Compare and Data Compare. First and foremost, they can help you compare any 2 databases, scrutinize the conveniently highlighted differences in the schemas and data, and synchronize the source to the target in no time with an auto-generated script. By the way, this functionality can be extremely useful for data migration. For instance, what if you're scaling your database infrastructure and need to move a certain database to a different environment? Well, first you create a new empty database in the specified environment. Then you start a new schema comparison, set the first database as the source, set the new database as the target, run the comparison, sync the source structure to the target, and that's it. After syncing the schemas, you can compare and sync your data in the same way. Another way to make data migration easier is import and export. Here, dbForge Edge covers 14 most popular formats. Each format comes with fine-tuned flexible settings, and what's more, you can easily create templates for recurring import and export operations. Once it's set up and saved, you can reuse it whenever needed. The third way to migrate is called Copy Database. The workflow is extremely simple. You select a source server and a target one, pick the database you want to copy, select whether to copy it along with the data it contains, select to drop the target database if it already exists on the target server, and that's about it. Given all the flexible settings at hand, you will migrate your databases with ease and precision. There's nothing quite like trying it all yourself, so we invite you to download a 30-day trial version of dbForge Edge, give it a go, and level up your database administration from day one.